this video, I'll be painting a portrait from a black and white reference photo that I found online. I will be using just random rainbow array of colors, and I will also be using Derwent Intense Pencils to give my portrait some details and definition. I didn't want to make this video super long, so here's a quick summary of my first step. I sketched out my portrait, I verified the details a little bit with Derwent Intense Pencil, and I gave it one wash of watercolor just to distribute my colors. I'll let everything dry, and here is the second step of development. I'm going to draw in the face in more detail with more precision with my Inktense pencils, and after that I will switch to watercolor, and I will kind of alternate between watercolor and the pencils until my artwork is fully developed. At the end I'm going to add a few highlights with white gouache, and hopefully you'll stay with me till the end to see the final result. painting is almost done. Let me know in comments if you like these colors too, or you prefer a more realistic, natural color palette for portraits. Also, let me know what you think about combining watercolor with Inktense pencils. I love that combination, but I'm curious to know your opinion. If you would like to learn more about sketching faces, I have classes that I teach on demand on Skillshare and Udemy, and also you can take a live class on skillp.com. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one here on Tamirab Studios channel.